The 2025 Honda Amaze continues its legacy as a compact sedan that offers reliability, style, and practicality for everyday use. Designed with the urban driver in mind, this new iteration refines everything that made the Amaze popular in the first, plus its affordability, fuel efficiency, and ease of handling, while adding several improvements that enhance comfort, technology, and visual appeal. From the outside, the 2025 Honda Amaze receives a subtle yet impactful facelift. The front grille has been redesigned with a more aggressive stance, flanked by sleeker LED headlamps that give it a modern edge. The bumper now integrates chrome, accents, and fog lamps more fluidly, creating a polished appearance that fits well into both cityscapes and suburban settings. Alloy wheels with a fresh dual-tone design add a touch of sportiness, while the character lines on the bodywork maintain the Amaze's signature aerodynamic look. Under the hood, the Amaze retains its efficient 1.2-liter IVTEC petrol engine, known for its refined performance and fuel economy. The powertrain is tuned to deliver a balanced experience, ideal for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. With options for both a 5-speed manual transmission and a CVT automatic, the 2025 model caters to diverse driving preferences. The engine remains BS6 Phase 2 compliant, aligning with current environmental regulations while still providing a responsive driving experience. Step inside, and the cabin of the 2025 Amaze reveals Honda's focus on comfort and connectivity. The dual-tone interior features improved seat cushioning, soft touch panels, and a redesigned dashboard layout that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. The new 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, offering seamless smartphone integration. A rear-view camera, voice command features, and steering-mounted controls improve convenience and driving safety. Rear seat comfort is a key highlight, with ample legroom and headroom for passengers, making it a family-friendly sedan. The addition of rear AC vents in higher variants is a welcome touch, especially for passengers during long drives. The boot space remains generous at 420 liters, more than sufficient for daily chores and weekend luggage. On the safety front, Honda has made standard dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX mounts for child seats. Higher trims come equipped with Hill Start Assist, Vehicle Stability Assist, and a multi-angle rear-view camera, enhancing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The 2025 Honda Amaze is competitively priced, making it an ideal choice for first-time car buyers or those upgrading from a hatchback. It delivers a premium feel at an affordable price point, backed by Honda's well-known reliability and low cost of ownership. With its practical features, refreshed styling, and enhanced tech, the new Amaze reinforces its position as a smart, value-packed sedan in the subcompact segment. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver or a dependable family car, the 2025 Honda Amaze makes a compelling case with its thoughtful updates and enduring strengths.